and it is really nice. I got the honey blonde. It says a color 4, and I think it's a color 27, and I got it in a 20 inches. And these are the things they had in the package, and it tells you how to take care of it and gives you a also a discount if you do certain things on YouTube and stuff like that. They gave me a stocking cap, and they gave me the elastic band to be able to, you know, make sure your wig is more secure. So I got the body wave. So it's really, really nice hair, and showed you how I got it packaged up. So, you know, let's go in and see. It's just a 4x4. Got the combs, um, you know, just the regular old lace, you know, so it gives you enough to do a middle part. You can kind of do a side part, but it's got them highlights in it, the nice waves. You can see all that good stuff. So you cannot go wrong. It's very pretty. The colors are very pretty. I kind of wanted it darker, but the brown a little bit darker, but that's okay. So okay, y'all, this is what we got going. I curled her up, and I cut a little, like a bang right here. So in case I want to just kind of wear it swooped over, you know, I could just wear it swooped over. So I did cut that little bang, but since I have already part kind of in the middle, I can go ahead. I curled it, kind of give me that little wing right here down the middle. And this is the hairline right there. If you can see it good, that's the hairline. But to me, it's giving me one of the Braxton sisters. Mama Braxton, Tamar Braxton, that's what it's really giving me. It's one of them. But it's cute, you know. It's supposed to be 20 inches. It don't look 20 inches to me. I did cut a little bit at the bottom, but it does not look like it's 20 inches to me. This is not no 20 inches. I'm thinking about should have been a little bit further down here for be 20 inches. But to me with this hair, it looks like you gotta be made up. Like my face gotta be made up, and you really going somewhere professional or something to me when you get this wig on. But it's cool. I think it's like 150 density. I think 150. The density is cool. Very minimal shedding. I wanted it darker. I asked for them to make it darker than what it is, instead of this like brassy brownish oranges. I guess they say honey blonde. I wanted it more darker, like 1B highlighted in there, but you know, you get it's cute. You know, like I said, I wanted it a little bit darker, but you know, it's cute. It curls wonderful. You know, it's got that little part down here. So, I mean, what can you say? You know, I think I paid like $150 for it. So, you know, what can you say? And I got my little, I done a video on my magnet lashes. Only thing about this, they got the glue, but you need some extra glue to make sure they don't come off, because they still want to pop up on the sides. You would probably want to put some extra glue on there to make sure they pop up, don't pop up on the sides. I don't even know where that little piece of hair goes. There it goes. But definitely this is cute and wearable. I'm definitely gonna wear this and wear it out. It's very cute. It's very pretty. I guess it does something for my skin, you know. So I'm getting ready to go ahead and do the try on haul, y'all. I got me some more cute outfits. I did a try on haul. My last try on haul with I had a hairband wig. I didn't try all my outfits on that I got from Rainbow. This time I'm gonna try another one of my outfits I got from Rainbow, and then I ordered another one, 2 dresses from Rainbow, and a few little things from Fashion Nova. So I want to do the try on haul with this hair to give y'all that whole look. So I hope y'all like it. Continue watching, and we're gonna go from there. Okay, I'm gonna show you one pair of Fashion Nova jeans that I got. These fit so cute. I didn't have time to put them on, but they got slits on the side. They come really nice. They fit perfect. These are size 13. They fit perfect around the waist. hippie. They do have some stretch. They are adorable. And I got a long, and the longs are, they are too long, okay, because I'm 5'7", so they're kind of really long. So I end up having to cut 3 inches off the bottom of the pants, which was cool because I was end up to make that fringe look at the bottom. So they fit perfect. They still really long, but they're not extremely long. They're like perfectly long. So if you're tall, like I'm like 5'7", you might want to get the regular size instead of the long size. They get, you can get instead of the tall. I got the tall. Instead of getting tall, you might want to get the regular length, because if you're 5'7", anyway. And I'm 5'7", and I wear, this is a size 13. They so cute, y'all. They fit so cute. So I just want to show you these pair of jeans, and they fit. You can't go wrong. Can't go wrong. Okay. All right, let me show you another pair. These are high-waisted jeans. These are other pair that are high-waisted. They are extremely long also. Kind of walking on them too, but they're not as, they're extremely long. Don't get me wrong. But the other ones were extremely long. So these I'm fine with. You put some heels on, and I think they'll hit really nice. They don't have as much stretch. Maybe when I put them on and get to wearing them and walking around in them, they might stretch out some more. So, like I said, these are 13s, and they I like how they are. I needed me another like nice long, sleek pair of jeans. So I was happy with these. So like I said, a little bit more snug. They don't have as much stretch. They do, but like I said, they are a wonderful fit. I get both pair of jeans, you guys. Both pair of jeans from Fashion Nova for $27. $27 for both pair of jeans, because it was buy one get one free. So you cannot beat that. And so on to my other outfits, and those outfits I'm gonna try those on for you so you can see those. All right, so I got this cute loungewear set from Fashion Nova. It's really comfortable. It feels so good. It is just nice and cozy, and it's shorts. It's shorts and get the little tank top. You can kind of see my bra, but and my fat belly, but look past all that, because I'm basically trying to show you the outfit. But it's nice, comfy, cozy, something to wear around the house where you can be comfortable and look halfway cute. So this is a large, and you just can't go wrong. Okay, I got this cute outfit right here. Well, I got the purse from DD's. I paid $20, and that's unusual. $20 for a purse. Usually they're a lot cheaper than that. I got these cute earrings from Forever 21, and these was $10. It was really $3, but it cost the tax and the shipping, so it made it $10. Okay, and then I got this cute outfit right here, dress, 2-piece. What is that dress? A skirt and top, 2-piece. It's an extra large, because I am a size 12 from Rainbow. Paid $12 for this outfit. Ain't it cute? $12. And then my shoes, Fashion Nova, and I forget how much I paid for them. I think they was like $12 or so. I still haven't even got to wear these out nowhere, and I have done a haul on these a couple of times with some outfits. But this the whole outfit is too cute. All right, now I got this cute dress. I got this cute dress from Rainbow. I paid $8 for this dress. $8, probably $9 is some change. But it is really cute. It's got this little turtleneck. It is really nice fabric. Nice stretchy fabric. It got the ruching on the side with the strings. You can pull it up and make it shorter, or you can kind of pull it down and make it a little longer. I like the length of it. It's really cute. It's very comfortable, very nice and comfy. And then I got these cute shoes. I ordered them off of Amazon to go with the dress. And these shoes is $40. Very comfortable. I don't wear too high heels because they hurt my feet when they're too high, but these are comfortable. They feel amazing. So this is the whole look.